In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to animate your overlays to make them stand out that little bit more when you're using them on Reels in social media. The first thing we're going to do is listen out for where we want to put our overlay in.
This program is going to deliver the results.
So once I say deliver, I'm going to bring this wee delivery guy down.
Deliver the results you want.
So I've already cut this video with jump cuts so that I know exactly where my scene ends. But you'll see at the minute that pops up delivery. It's a bit boring. You could just move it, but we want to animate it and make it slightly better. So we're going to move it down. When it says results, I want it to be in the middle.
Deliver the results.
So once it starts to say results, I'm going to go over here to position and size. And I'm going to keyframe it. Then I'm going to drag it to the start and drag it off. And then I'm going to go to the end and I'm going to drag it off the end as well. So now it'll move across the screen.
It's going to deliver the results that you want.
So I'm going to add in a text. I like to add a wee default text. I'm going to change it to results. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to change the style to bangers because that's what I normally use. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to make it this size. So that's where I want the results to end. So now I come back here and look for my keyframes. So once I'm here, that's where I want the results to be. So I click on results and I'm going to keyframe that as well. So position and size, keyframe it. Then I'm going to travel back a bit and I'm going to bring this here and make it smaller so it fits in the little delivery box. Then I'm going to go back and I'm just going to follow that back until it's off screen. So once it's off screen, it looks like the wee man's delivering the results and that's what I want. Then I'm going to cut the rest of that writing because I don't need it. And then finally I'm just going to add a sound effect. So I have my own, so I like to put a whoosh. I trim it down first. Then I make it quieter. But this is too fast.
Deliver the results.
So I go up here to speed and I just shorten the speed down a bit so it's slower. And that's where I want it to go. Then what I'll actually do is copy that and paste it below. And I'll cut out the whoosh bit and add it here. So it sounds like it's still moving. If you don't have your own sound effects, just go up here to audio and go to sound effects and type in whoosh or whatever else you're looking for, but it'll throw up some random ones, but if you actually just scroll down, eventually you'll find a whoosh. And that would do the same job. So if I delete these and I bring this whoosh down, so see the way it's just a wee one here, so I would find out where that moves. So about here, so that moving there. And then I might find another longer whoosh and use it. So I'll bring this down here and make it slightly quieter, slow it down. And then when we go here, I will just fine tune that so it gets, so it's more in line with what's going on. So that's what that will look like. The second one we're going to do is about a deadlift. So,
for example, we can go over here.
So when I'm saying go over here, I've said it, so I know the deadlift's going to appear. So I want the deadlift to appear in this hand. And then I know it's going to travel. So when I'm here, I do the exact same thing. I click on position and size, hold it, and I just follow the hand. So as the hand moves up, I move with it. So this may seem like a lot of work, but I think it just makes it stand out that little bit more. So I don't know why I move my hands so much, but I gotta keep with it. Let me shake. And then again, just cut the rest of that off. So when we go here, so it just makes that stand out a little bit more. I like to add a pop when something just appears on the screen. And then the same thing, we would just do the whoosh. We do the same thing that we did a second ago. lower it, slow it down. So again, it's just subtle because it's not whipping.
The deadlift and add it into your program.
There's two examples of using overlays to make your video stand out a little bit better. If you want to learn how to use the jump cuts that I used in this video, then watch this video here.